Good evening and welcome to another Tech Time with me, Morbidos, as usual. Today, I have my trusty old saw with me, which means we gotta open something. And today, well, I posted a picture, posted a picture on Instagram about receiving a package would up the quality of our streams. And I asked you guys if you could guess what was in it. And only one guy took a crack at it, and it was Grotux Gaming. I had to take 2 shots before I got it right. First, he guessed a webcam or a microphone, which it isn't. It is, in fact, the Elgato Stream Deck. And as you can see, they felt the need to tell me that it is, in fact, new. Do they send out used? Or no? Anyways, time to get this cracked open and let's have a look what's inside. Alright, let's get this cracked open. Fairly good box. Let's tape around the edges here. Yep, one. Second one. And there's this hard plastic crap up here. Saw will eat it, don't worry about it. Oh, come on, not the finger. Oh, fine. I'd rather not trash the box. I know this little piece was loose. I pressed it down myself. It must be taped with the best tape in the world, because now it comes off and fucks up the box. Alright, fine, we'll live with it. Let's see. Oh, well, I said when I opened the shipping box that I thought that this was a lot smaller than I expected it to be, and I think I'm going to have to say that again. Holy crap, this is small. Wow, I expected it to be like the deck itself, to be like the size of this box. From the pictures I saw, I've never seen it in anybody's hand or anything, just commercial pictures of it. Okay, so build quality feels nice. Buttons feel nice, maybe a bit sticky, but then again I am a bit sticky on my fingers after that tape. But okay, looks nice. Cable looks like a standard USB cable, nothing special. Got some anti-vibration or anti-slip knobs under there that make it stick, which is nice. And there's this stand, which is nice. It comes with an included stand, which has a couple of variety of ways to make it stand on your desk, which is quite nice of them to actually include. So let's put it on this and this over here. Other than that, there is a quick start guide with the regular la-di-da. Luckily, no driver CD because that sucks. And something in French and German and important safety instructions. Oh, what? Don't microwave your cat? Probably. It's protected by some high quality styrofoam. Very nice. Looks well thought through, and also the lid has some styrofoam to protect it from any bumps. Very good. Let's get it connected, set up, and see what it's like. Okay, I have connected it, and at first it only showed the Elgato logo, but after I installed the software for it, which I got from their website, it's called Stream Deck, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. I have gotten all of these little icons on the different buttons. I haven't tried them out yet, so I don't know what they do, but I thought we would have a little look inside the software to see how easy it is to set up. Now there is a few options here for game capture, Tippy Stream, OBS Studio, Twitter, Twitch, and yeah, that's about it. I don't know exactly how this is supposed to work. Let's see. Okay, so you just drag and drop. That's cool though. Okay, now I usually use XSplit Broadcaster. I'm assuming it will work with that too. So website, hotkey, switch, hotkey. What does that do? Oh, okay, so you can just go ahead and just, okay, that's nice. Alright, let's remove that. Delete. Oh, okay. That's nice. Welcome. Welcome to Stream Deck. So what happens if we press it? Oh, it opens the website. Use the key creator to... Okay, so they've got a little video here for us to watch. And integrate, how to create keys. Okay, so it's fairly well documented how to... Some more information down here. I'm going to have to work my way through this and kind of learn as I go. But first, let's have a little look-see at this first. Okay, so we got ads for Twitch. I'm assuming to use it with... Is that Tippy Stream? I want to replace this action. Yes, please. Just to see title, counts, scene, elements. Okay, that's nice. You can actually change things. Oh, and whenever I change something, instantly happens on the device. That's nice. Screenshot, tweet, that's nice too. You can connect accounts. We'll have to run through and do that as well. Flashback recording, game capture scene, live commentary. Okay, well, that's nice. You can actually slow chat and Twitch as well. That's nice. Come in handy once we get a little bit more action on our Twitch streams. Multimedia. Okay, so there's a lot of things you can do here. I'm guessing I'll have to use the hotkey to use it with the XSplit Broadcaster that we use. Tippy Stream. I'm not quite sure how that's going to work directly. I might even look into their... They have a let's see, where was that? That was here. They do have a capture program, game capture. So I might even look into getting that. Seems to be free. After tinkering with it for a couple of days now, I've actually managed to set it up fairly how I want it. I will be adding a couple of more functions later on. Now, sadly, XSplit is not supported at the API level yet, but I saw Barnacle did a review on this, and he had talked to Elgato, and they say that XSplit support is coming, but no date, I am afraid. And if you haven't checked out his review on this device, you should absolutely check it out. He has done a little bit more in-depth testing than we have here, so head over to his channel and check it out. Now, the way I've set it up is I have 3 main folders. This editing one is, well, it's basically just shortcuts to open Premiere, Photoshop, and Audition, and also the YouTube dash for when I do upload. XSplit is for when I do streams, and I've set it up so that I have my Twitch settings over here, microphone mute in the middle, and some YouTube's related stuff over there, and of course local recording and 2 scenes that I use when I stream. Also, I've added a open XSplit function, which is just to keep everything located at one place and that I can actually access it from when I want. I've also set up a Twitter folder so that I can quickly access and tweet when we are live, either on Twitch or on YouTube. those are very, very nice features that I do actually love. The fact that they are integrated into Twitter that in such a way that you don't have to do, well, basically anything but press a button and you're done. Same goes for Twitch. With the Twitch viewer account and also the stream title game thing that they call. Basically just change the title of the stream and also the game you are streaming on Twitch, which is very nice. So, the Elgato Stream Deck controller. Is it worth it? In my opinion, definitely. It's worth every dollar you pay for it, which, by the way, isn't a lot. It costs $149 US on Amazon, 139 pounds on the UK Amazon, and about 1,500 NOK for the Norwegian suppliers. We don't have Amazon, so we're screwed. But it isn't a lot for what you get. The build quality is superb. Apart from the short USB cable, I don't know why they went for a short USB cable, but okay, you can add extenders and stuff, but you know, and also should be detachable in case you break it, which happens. I love the tactile feeling of the buttons. You know, you can absolutely 100% feel where you are on the pad without actually looking at it, and you know if you've pressed a button. It's not like one of those soft buttons that you don't get the feedback from, like, did you actually press it? So I absolutely love that feature. It's very good. And I love that you can rearrange the settings or what the buttons do so easily. It's just drag and drop inside their own software, which just works, and it's just great. And you can even design icons right from their website and download it to your computer and just smack them in there, and it works. And it's well thought through, and I like that. I like when people put thought into making things that work. But who doesn't? I'm really waiting for the XSplit support on an API level. I'm currently using it with hotkeys, which works because it is a very thought through product, and the program that supports it is very good. It just works. But API level is superior and would be very, very nice to see from when they shipped it. But okay, I don't know the reasons behind it. They did tell Bernicles that it is coming, so we'll just have to wait and use either hotkeys or switch over. I'm going to try the Elgato streaming software that they have on their website that's free. I'm going to try that out, see if it's any good, and I'll update the description if it is any good. If it isn't, I might as well just use OBS or just continue with hotkeys. It hasn't given me any problems up until now. So that's it for this review, guys. Remember, if you liked it, click the like button. If you didn't like it, click the dislike button. And if you want to buy t-shirts like this, please check out the links in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.